Zoom.
The butter, it is smooth, like our skin, and you. In Montana, we feel the mountains and the trees. Na 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 na, mountains and the butter. Can you feel it? Can you feel the sunshine of friends coming together and cooking together? Can you feel it at the tip of your glasses? Let's see bacon tonight. I've got butter on a spoon. Let me lick it and lick the spoon. I lick the spoon for friendship. Lick the spoon for friendship. Lick the spoon together. And it's sweet to heart.
Are we gonna lick the spoon together?
Nah.
It's for friendship. It's for friendship.
Nah. Let's not lick the spoon together. Save it for tonight.